Hello guys, and welcome back to another 100% fitment video. On today's video we're going to show you how to fit a wireless charger so that you can get rid of all of these horrible cables hanging from your dashboard. Okay, there's actually no tools required to how to fit this wireless charger to your new Defender, and basically when it turns up, this is how it will show. So basically it'll be in a cardboard box with some packaging to protect the actual wireless charger, and also an instruction manual on a little bit of information on the wireless charger itself. The first step is actually to remove any cables you currently have there. You don't want anything or underneath it getting in the way when you're trying to put the wireless charger in. So the first step is to actually lift up your 12-volt cigarette lighter, the flap that you can see just here, and you want to get your charger or the cable, the 12-volt input, just underneath it. So you don't want to go underneath it to hide the cable, so you want it to basically be as flush as possible. So it's quite fiddly to get it there. Just put it in that 12-volt socket, make sure the cable is actually hanging down, and when you drop that wireless charger in there, it's going to close that, and that's actually going to be nice and flush for you. Basically all you're going to do from there is just make sure that it's in the correct position, so it's nice and tight there, and actually goes either side of your hockey sticks and it fits in there nice and flush. So these are actually really handy. Not only can you now charge two phones at the same time, but you actually lose any cables on there. Our wireless chargers, you can actually turn them on and off. And actually if you have a larger phone, so like if you have an iPhone 14 Pro or Plus, you can actually make the wireless charger a little bit bigger just to support the back of your phone. You still have the access to a USB-A and also a Type-C on there as well. And it's a 27 watt max output. Okay, that is the end of today's fitment video on how to fit the wireless charger into your new Defender. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below or get in contact with our sales team. See you on the next video.